Assalamu alaikum. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. I want to talk about a very important topic that is very relevant right now. That was this concept of la tahzan. Inna Allah mana. Do not despair, do not be sad, do not lose hope, for Allah is with us. See, when you find yourself in a situation that you don't like, when you find something that you want to change, before you can fix any problem, you have to diagnose it properly. In order to diagnose a problem, however, you have to have a proper sight. In this case, I'm going to talk about a different kind of sight than the kind of sight that we have in our eyes. I'm going to talk about a deeper kind of sight called basira. Basira is inner sight. Basira is insight. Basira is ability to see and understand the world which is not with our physical eyes. Because a lot of people may have perfect in 20/20 vision with their physical eyes, but are completely blind with their true side of heart. But are completely blind with their true side of their heart. In this case, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us that there are people who are blind. It's not their eyes that become blind, it's their heart inside their chest. See, the thing is, a lot of us believe that we understand and comprehend the world through our physical eyes and our mind. But in reality, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us that the heart is a apparatus by which we see the world. It's a apparatus by which we comprehend and understand the world. And that's why Allah says, Lahum qulubun la yafqahuna biha, that they have heart they don't understand. With lahum qulubun la yaqiluna biha, that they have heart they don't reason with that. This apparatus of our heart is how we are going to understand the world. If the heart is warped, if the heart is covered, if the heart is not working properly, then our understanding of a side of reality around us is not going to work properly. I conclude my speech with a special thanks to you all wonderful people. Thank you so much and have a nice day.